1. Buy a good quality unicycle. There are a lot of cheap unicycles that make learning to ride difficult. The seats are poorly designed, and will they break quickly? 2. Get the right wheel size. You will almost surely start with a 20-inch or a 24 wheel. 3. Set up your unicycle properly. The seat height is critical. You should be able to reach the bottom pedal with just a small crook in your knee. Get an extension on the post if needed. The post itself should be easily adjustable. Make sure the pedals are rubber and not metal. It's hard enough to learn without doing it on a cheap, poorly set up unicycle. 4. Buy and use safety equipment. Heavy-duty hand pads are a must. Knee pads are an option, but you don't want to restrict your movements either. Very well padded shorts are highly recommended. You are going to land on the pavement a lot at first. Depending on your athleticism, you may want to consider a helmet. 5. Find a suitable site for learning to ride. Someplace you can hold on to, but won't get hurt, and won't hurt someone else. Tennis nets, a wall, or a smooth fence are good. You want a barrier where you can ride along and hold on to something safely. Holding on to a friend or a post is a very poor substitute, and not recommended, unless the friend enjoys getting his shins hit with your pedals. 6. Practice for 15 minutes or so, once or twice a day. There's little point in practicing for hours on end immediately. Your body seems to learn between your workouts. 7. Align the pedal cranks vertically to the ground when you mount a unicycle. One pedal will be as close to the ground as is possible, while the uni is upright. Step on that pedal with the foot of your weaker leg. Throw your leg over the seat, and sit on the uni. Then, step on the other pedal. Pull yourself up while holding onto something for support. 8. Start by learning to sit on the unicycle. The first time you get up on your uni, just concentrate on sitting on it, while holding on to something. Rotate the wheels 1/2 turn forward and backward. All your weight should be on the floor of your pelvis, and not on your thighs or calves. Trust me, you're not going to ride off anywhere immediately. Just concentrate on getting the feel of your vehicle. 9. Try riding forward next. When you are comfortable with sitting on the uni, begin to try to ride forward. Expect that you will fall off. At first, you will hardly go a full revolution of the wheel, actually. But, with practice, will come perfection, or at least a few revolutions. 10. Don't give up. You will advance from a few revolutions to riding off into the sunset quite quickly. One day, it will just suddenly happen. You'll be riding a unicycle. 11. Finished.